Scott Edil, complementing life. Welcome to Scott Edil. We have 4 state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities in Baddi, Himachal Pradesh, North India. Our WHO, GMP, ISO certified facilities are spread over an enormous area. We are one of India's fastest growing pharmaceutical companies, with production capacities that rival the world's biggest, while owning one of the world's largest facilities for cephalosporins and India's largest liquid manufacturing capacities. Our pharmaceutical facilities here at Baddi, India, promise exceptional quality. Monitoring our networks are our 2 corporate offices in Mumbai and Chandigarh. We go beyond the conventional concepts of pharmaceuticals by possessing a growth-focused strategy, a strong business portfolio, and a team of highly skilled professionals. We've become one of India's leading pharmaceutical companies. At the heart of our business commitment is our responsibility to embrace superior quality, unyielding integrity, and strict compliance across all business operations. This momentum has not been broken ever since. Our business divisions diversify as contract manufacturing, institutional business, export business, our own marketing divisions. Our 700+ product range is offered in a variety of dosage forms: tablets, capsules, oral liquids, liquid injections, dry syrups, ophthalmic solutions, gels, dry powder injections, spanning a variety of therapeutic segments. Scott Edil was curated to innovate, and our stringent quality control systems guard every step of the production process while following stringent GLP regulations, so that every day we can deliver on our promise of healthcare to millions around the world. Our rapid growth has allowed us to become an international concern with an indomitable presence in over 50 countries worldwide. Meanwhile, we've had a strong client base with some of the most renowned companies of the world. We are Scott Edil, and we are redefining medicine. Scott Edil, complementing life.